Hi, this is part 2 of Healthy Community Brookfield Corrective Action. To make an accurate budget for next year, I have some suggestions. The current financial picture of HCB is not positive. We are losing funding for 3 different programs, employment is unstable, and we could lose more money because of the failed Public Health Accreditation Board survey. I don't think that a continuous budget will work as we are going to be doing things differently from the previous year. We will be reducing some spending by canceling programs that are condemned by other agencies. Standard expenses like wages, program costs, and general maintenance will be similar to the previous year. To get the required accreditation, we will need to integrate a quality improvement plan into our daily operations. There are excellent services that could be made of use to get our protocols to fit the requirements. This will be a necessary expense. Rebranding HCB will cost money. If we get a professional to aid us, then it will cost even more. The strategic planning process consultant we hired from On Strategy will be an additional expense. Thank you all for listening to my new ideas. We are going to make big changes in this organization, so it will be a difficult task. Repairing relationships is one of our major goals. We've had a lot of trouble over the years, so we will require outside help to right this ship. We'll be spending a lot of time together working on these changes. I appreciate the time you took to listen to me, so I wish you all the best. If you have any more comments or questions, feel free to contact me.